Are you tired of paying high prices for travel? Do you dream of exploring the world without breaking the bank? If so, then this guide is for you. In this video, we will show you step by step how to travel for free, or at least close to it. From signing up for travel rewards programs and using credit cards wisely, to looking for deals and considering alternative modes of transportation, we will give you all the tips and tricks you need to make your travel dreams a reality. So let's get started and begin planning your next adventure. Welcome to Travel by Turtles, where we give you tips and tricks on all your travel needs. Are you a fan of our content? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Traveling can be expensive. With the cost of flights, hotels, and activities, the expenses can begin adding up quickly. However, with a little bit of planning and creativity, it is possible to travel for nearly free, or at least significantly reduce the cost of your travels. Here's some tips on how you can do it. Number 1. Consider alternative accommodations. Instead of staying in traditional hotels, consider alternative accommodations such as vacation rentals, hostels, or couch surfing. These options can often be much cheaper than hotels and can help stretch your travel budget even further. Number 2. Look for deals and discounts. Keep an eye out for deals and discounts on travel websites, such as discounted flights or hotel packages. Signing up for newsletters and following travel companies on social media can also help you to stay informed about promotions and discounts, which comes in extremely handy when they announce flash sales. Number 3. Consider alternative modes of transportation. Instead of flying, consider alternative modes of transportation such as buses, trains, or carpooling. These options can often be much cheaper than flying and can add an interesting twist to your travels. These type of trips become some of the most memorable, especially when traveling with a partner or close friend. Number 4. Consider working or volunteering abroad. If you're willing to trade your time for a free place to stay, consider looking for opportunities to work or volunteer abroad. Many organizations offer programs where you can work or volunteer in exchange for food and accommodations. This not only allows you to explore and travel for super cheap, but it will give you the opportunities to give back to communities that need your help. Number 5. Travel during the off-season. If you're flexible with your travel dates, consider traveling during the off-season when prices are generally lower. This can be a great way to save money on flights and hotels. Be sure to research what off-season means for your destination. In some areas, these seasons are filled with rainstorms and even hurricanes. It's important to do your research when taking this route. Number 6. Take advantage of free activities. While traveling, be sure to take advantage of free activities such as visiting parks, taking a self-guided walking tour, or going to a local beach. These activities can be a great way to have fun and save money at the same time. Many of our favorite activities have been hikes with beautiful landscapes and even underwater adventures just snorkeling with the fish. There is always an awesome adventure around the corner. You just have to look for it. Number 7. Research travel rewards programs. Many credit card companies and airlines offer travel reward programs that allow you to earn points or miles for every dollar you spend. These points or miles can be redeemed for free flights, hotel stays, and other travel perks. Research these programs to find the ones that best fit your needs and spending habits. Number 8. Sign up for credit cards with travel rewards. Once you have identified the travel rewards programs that you want to join, sign up for the credit cards that offer them. Be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully though, as some credit cards have annual fees and may require you to spend a certain amount of money in order to earn rewards. Number 9. Use reward programs for more than just flights and hotels. In addition to redeeming your rewards for flights and hotels, consider using them for other travel-related expenses, such as rental cars, activities, and even meals. This can help you stretch your rewards further and save even more money. In many cases, these travel cards offer no foreign transaction fees, which can save you tons of money when traveling internationally. Number 10. Look into loyalty programs. Many hotel chains and rental car companies offer loyalty programs that allow you to earn points or credits for every stay or rental. These points or credits can be redeemed for free nights or rentals, saving you money on your travels. Number 11. Negotiate your rates. If you are booking a hotel or rental car, don't be afraid to negotiate the rate. Often, hotels and rental car companies are willing to offer discounts to customers who are willing to ask for them. It's also a great way to upgrade your stay. If you're lucky, treating people with kindness and respect is all you'll need to level up from ground floor to rooftop. Number 12. Use public transportation. Instead of renting a car, consider using public transportation when you travel. Not only is it usually cheaper than renting a car, but it can also be a great way to experience the local culture and meet new people, especially if most of your trip involves traveling around the local area. Rideshare drivers are often some of the best local tour guides. Number 13. Use cashback websites. Cashback websites, such as Rakuten and Honey, allow you to earn cash back on your online purchases, including travel-related expenses. By using these websites, you can save money on your travels without having to do any additional work. You can also use these websites to save on everyday expenses. After enough cash back, you might even be able to take your trip for free. Number 14. Consider a home exchange. If you own a home, consider participating in a home exchange program. These programs allow you to stay in someone else's home for free while they stay in yours. It's a great way to save money on accommodations and get a unique travel experience unlike any other. Number 15. Take advantage of long layovers. If you're booking a flight, consider taking advantage of an extensive layover. Many airlines run routine back and forth flights in certain cities, allowing you to add an extra destination to your trip at no extra cost. This gives you the opportunity to explore a new city and maybe even spend the night. Just be sure to check back in on time for your next flight. Number 16. Look into group discounts. If you're traveling with a group, look into group discounts for flights, hotels, and activities. Often, companies are willing to offer discounts to groups, saving you money on your travels. If you can't find any information on the company's website, try giving them a call. Number 17. Use reward points to offset cost. If you don't have enough rewards points to cover the entire cost of a flight or hotel stay, consider using them to offset the cost. For example, if you have enough points for a $100 discount on a $500 flight, you can use these points to reduce the price by $100, saving you the money. That's comparable to 25% off. Number 18. Use a rewards credit card for non-travel expenses. If you have a rewards credit card that earns points or miles on every purchase, consider using it for non-travel expenses as well. This can help you earn rewards faster by racking up points on everyday expenses. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you'll experience memories that will last a lifetime. By following these tips, you can save even more money on your travels and have an amazing vacation without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And remember, like this video and subscribe to our channel. This has been Travel by Turtles, and we'll see you in the next one.